Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Cheno. We're here at Port Campbell right now, and that's where you can find the 12 Apostles, Lockhart Gorge. And in this video, I'm just gonna be showing you what to do, where to go, what sights to see. All right, let's go explore. Yeah, come in. So guys, this is the first stop. It's called Lockhart Gorge, and it's this stunning view, two cliff sides coming together, which is right there. Take a look. And the good thing is it breaks the waves, so the water is much calmer. It does say swimming not recommended, but we're just gonna go in for a dip. We're not gonna go too far, obviously. Let's make our way down. Here's a classic viewpoint as well, kind of.
Just under the shade?
Yeah. Go here a
I want to be in the sun.
Close to the sun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just so our stuff can stay cool, I guess. So it's been 5 years since I've been down here at Lockhart Gorge. This time with Alex. I think she was here 2 years ago?
Yeah.
She was here 2 years ago. Yeah, we're here together pretty early, around 10 a.m., 10:30. So there's not a lot of people yet. Considering how busy this place gets, it's quite empty. So I'm so excited to go in for a dip. And yeah, I'll bring you guys along.
I woke up feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. It's so cold.
She says it's so cold, guys. I want to go in.
Wild tuna appears. What is happening? Eating his chips, always munching away. There we go.
So we've been here for a couple of hours now, you know, coming in the water a few times and just taking photos and videos throughout. But yeah, we're pretty much ready to head out and we'll show you the next few locations. See you there. Okay, I think this is the island Archway. The first stop to this 2-location viewpoint, or whatever it's called. Let's check it out. Come through, check it out. That's insane. We are making our way to the Razorback. So that looks insane. Let's take a look. This here is the Razorback, and it looks incredible, guys. It's so intense. The waves are crashing at the bottom. And reading from the sign, way back, it actually used to extend further out into the sea. But I guess because of, you know, the waves always crashing in, it eventually eroded. There's some more, you know, structures further back, and it looks quite amazing. Ah, that's awesome. So many flies. We are on the way to Shipwreck. It's about a 300-meter walk, and all these locations are actually just around each other. You just find the one car park and different walkways, different pathways to all these viewpoints. We just walked past this lady and she said it's quite beautiful on the way to what? Mutton Bird Lookout. I'm really hoping we also get to see this massive arch in the ocean. Ooh, there's a helicopter. I don't think it's here. No, let's come on. Keep coming. Let's have a look. Oh, it is. It is. Yeah. It's over here. That looks amazing. And the water is stunning. Look at it. Okay, so we're just booking the London Bridge flight. It's a helicopter flight going over the 12 Apostles all the way to the London Bridge. We'll do it for tonight. Towards sunset. It's not quite sunset. The last flight is at 6:30. But the thing is, sunset here is literally around 9 o'clock. Ah, transaction cancelled.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe I don't have enough money. Take 2 on the payment. Yay, order successful. We're booked. Let's go.
The helicopters are right there.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never.
Thoughts and reactions, first impressions. How did you like it?
That was so chill.
Yeah, hey, it was actually quite soothing because
Beautiful.
it's around 6:30 now. We're still 2 hours from sunset, but the lighting is so
It was
soft.
so good.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Like 15 minutes was actually like pretty good.
Yeah, it was a perfect,
And you
solid
like-
amount of time.
Yeah.
We got to see all the main highlights,
Yes.
the main viewpoints and spots, you could say. And so, yeah,
It was nice.
first time. I'm kidding, let's go. We made it to the boardwalk and the viewpoint for the 12 Apostles. And as you can see, or it might be hard to see, there's actually only 7 more rock formations of the 12 Apostles. And I know that because the helicopter guy told us. I guess just due to the strong waves here, just a lot of the rock formations have just crumbled over the years. And yeah, but it's just amazing to see in person. But I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Alex is about to cut the clip, so let's go. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We really enjoyed exploring this area of Australia. I've actually been here about 5 years ago, but it was amazing to bring Alex with me this time. And this part of Australia is stunning. You've got huge towering cliffs, you know, the 12 Apostles, but even just going to Lockhart Gorge and just, you know, swimming in between those massive like cliffs, it was quite an experience. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave it a like. And if you haven't yet, go and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate a like on it. And if you haven't yet, go subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.